So, hello, good morning, guys.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, my screen is visible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so yesterday we saw inheritance. So, what is inheritance? Anyone? What is inheritance? Anyone? Anyone is there? What is inheritance?
It inherits the properties of last object.
Yes, we can access parent class into child class. Okay, so now we have to see the polymorphism. Okay, you have any idea on polymorphism? So Python support polymorphism. Polymorphism here. Poly means
More than one form.
Multiple, more than.
poly means many, multiple, and morphism means forms. Okay, morphism means forms. Okay, many forms. So in Python, polymorphism is implemented using following methodology. So let's see which are the methodologies are there. So there is first one is overloading, and there are some types of an an operator overloading is there, and method overloading, and constructor overloading. So these are the types of overloadings, and there is overriding. Next one is overriding. So overriding means method overriding, and constructor overriding. Constructor overriding, and one more type is duck typing is there. Duck typing. So in polymorphism, these are the types of polymorphism. Okay. So let's see. So first we have to see this one. So let's copy this line. Copy. So first of all, we have to see this one. Wait a minute. So here we write Python support and operator overriding overloading, Python support operator overloading using magic method, using magic method. Following are the magic methods in Python. So let's see which are the magic methods. So magic methods are magic methods for arithmetic operator. So we use here, wait a minute, here we write plus, the plus symbol we write like underscore underscore add underscore underscore cell comma other. We write like this. So next one we write multiplication. We write like f of mul for multiplication. My voice is audible, guys.
Sir,
This is multiplication and this is division. If true div, we have to write true div underscore underscore self dot other. And here we write for floor division what we have to write div underscore underscore floor div underscore underscore self comma other. Like that we have to write. The next one is negative subtraction. Then for that what we write for subtraction we write div underscore underscore sub underscore underscore then self comma others. Like that we have to write. Then for exponential we write div underscore underscore POW. We have to write underscore underscore P pow underscore underscore POW power. Okay. So here we write self. Then other we write. Then here we write modulus. What we have to write for modulus? Any idea? If underscore underscore mod underscore underscore self other. Okay. So these are the magic methods for arithmetic operator. So now we have to see the magic methods for assignment operator. Okay. So for that, it's a little bit same. Just copy this one. Magic method for assignment operator. Assignment operator. Just we have to write is equal. Okay. So here we write for addition I. Here I. And for multiplication also I. For this one also I. For division I. Here also for power I, and for mod also I. Okay. So these are the for, and for comparison magic method for comparison operator. Okay, so for this one, def underscore underscore gt underscore underscore self comma other. Like that we have to write, just copy 3-4 times. Then here greater than equals to, then here less than. Okay, so here what we have to write is GE. Okay, for greater than equal, GE greater than. Okay, and this is for less than. So LT we have to write LT, and for less than equal to LT not LE we have to write LE. Then here for equal we write EQ, and for not equal we write NE. Any doubt here, guys, in this? Any doubt? Any doubt in these methods, in magic methods? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So let's see the first example for this method. So here we write import time, and here we write print time dot sleep of 2 seconds, then print end of an application. So here we write, here we create one class, a class name as addition. Then here we write def, we have to create constructor first. So we create constructor, then we write self dot items. One more variables we take like items. Here we write self dot items, self dot items equals to items. Then here we write def str underscore underscore, and here we write self. We convert this method into the strings, that's why we use str. Okay, so here we write return number of items in I1 is, here we write str, and here we write self dot items we write. So like that we have to write, and then here we call that, we create an object for that class addition. Then here we write print I1. Okay, so let's see what it will give. Why it gives error items? So we didn't give the values for this addition. Take 150 as an value for these items. Once again it gives an error. We write self also items. Yeah, now it is correct. Okay, we have to use plus here. Okay, so like that, this is the first example, just a normal simple example. When we go in the in 2-3 example, you better know about this magic methods and method operator overloading. So let's copy this one and paste here only. The next what we have to do is, so next one is also little bit same. So we convert. Let's see the big example in this only, means for better understanding. Remove this all. Write class addition, and here we write def underscore underscore init underscore underscore self comma items we write. Then here we have to write self dot items, self dot items we write, then items and def underscore underscore str underscore underscore self, we write like this. Then here we write return str of self dot items, and here we write def. Now we have to do the magic method we have to use for the addition. So here we write underscore underscore add, then here self and other. We one more take the parameter we are taking. So then after this here we write return self dot items plus other dot items, like that we have to write, and then we have to I1 equals to, we call that create an object, and here write 150, and then here write print the number of items in I1 is, here we write I1, then here we write print, here we write I2 for addition, and here we write 300, here we write 300, and here we once again we write print the number of items in I2 is, like that we have to write. Then here we write I2, then here we have to write print, then here we write print total number of items in I1 and I2 is I1 plus I2. Okay, like that we have to write. So let's see what it will give. It gives the addition of that numbers. Okay, this is I1 value and this is I2 value, and it gives the addition of that numbers. Okay, so like that we have to use the addition arithmetic operator in magic magic methods. Okay, this is called as magic methods. Okay, guys, got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
So this is the one example for that. You can use, there are multiple example, just you have to use here. If you change here, just you have to write for multiplication you have to write, oh wait a minute, just copy this one.
Sir,
Yes,
what is the purpose of return statement, sir?
return
You
statement.
write it.
See, in function we already see return statement.
Yes, sir.
So we return that value from that method. We return that value. This is consider as a print. Okay, little bit same working like a print. Okay, it's
Okay,
return the
sir.
value. It returns the value to this method. Okay, when we calling this function, this statement is written. Okay, in that method. Okay, when we are
Def
calling
string is for, sir?
what
Def string. What is the purpose of def string?
we use this method for converting into string. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so like that we have to write. So I think we copy or not. Wait a minute, guys. So like that we have to write. I think we copy this example, not copied. Copy this one. So next, just we have to for the multiplication. We here we write mul. Okay, and in place of addition we write multiplication. Okay, so it gives the multiplication of this object and this object. Okay, so let's see why it gives error. Addition somewhere we did wrong. Okay, okay, this one also we have to change. Okay, now it is correct. Okay, it gives the multiplication of these values.
Sir,
Yes,
can you explain code once again, sir?
yes, wait a minute. Vasvi, you are asking now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait a minute, wait. Okay, so so let's copy this one. This is copied already. Just we have to comment out this one. Okay, see here. So wait a minute. This example is for multiplication now. Huh? Hello guys, why are you going outside when I'm taking the classes? When you go outside, something is emergency to you? Huh? Guys, very worst batch, yaar. Very worst, complete worst. They are only coming for attendance. Only attendance they want. I never see that kind of students. Never. From one phone, three, four students are giving the attendance. That all things they are doing. Only three, four students are good. बाकी सब ऐसे ही है. Okay, so Vasvi, you have one question
Yes, sir.
uh, for explaining this code. Uh, so let's see. Wait a minute, I see even the means very easy code for this one. For you, which code? Wait a minute, guys. See, guys, what we are doing here, we define one class. Okay. Hello, I'm audible.
Yes,
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
yes, sir.
here, we create one class. Okay. Then this one is which method is this one?
Constructor.
Yes, constructor method. And here we define some variables. Okay. So this is static variable we define. No, instance variable we define. This one is instance variable. Okay. So then after that we take a string method. Okay. So the string method return the string representation of the item. Okay. Okay. It's return the string representation. Okay. When when we print this I1 I1 object, it will print the number of items, okay, instead of default object. Okay, so that's why we use this string method. So for overloading we use this multiplication arithmetic method. Okay, this is called an magic methods. Okay, so any
Yes, sir.
doubt now? See, you have to do practice on that. Okay, then only you got an you able to understand this all. Okay, okay, Vasvi.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
because yes.
if we didn't give definition string, then
Okay,
what will happen, sir?
so let's see if it didn't give what it will give. Just remove this one. Let's see what it will give. There is no need of. Okay. So let's see what it will give. See what it is given here. See the data is coming in object format. Okay. See, I think we saw already this data in comprehension. Okay. In comprehension, we already see this object generated data. Okay. So for that, we have to use that one. This one is mandatory to use because we can't able to understand which kind of data is this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Your doubt is clear.
Yes, sir.
This is object data. We can't able to read this data. Okay. So for that we use string method. Okay. str
For
underscore underscore str. Okay.
yes, sir. For any program, we need to write the definition
Yes,
string.
yes. If we are using magic methods for that, we have to use this one only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good. Good question from your side. Same for the if we want to do the true division, right? True div. If you want to do division, then you have to write like this. Use this one. Okay, remaining you have to try. Okay, by your own you can try. Okay, it's completely same. Okay, 0.5. It will give 0.5. So remaining you have to perform remaining all. So let's see the next what we have to see is next we have to see this example. Okay, see here one problem we are facing in this code like first of all we have to erase this one up to where up to here we erase. Okay, up to here it's completely same. Here we write div underscore underscore add underscore underscore self dot others we write, and here we write return. Here we write return. Here we write return self dot items plus others others dot items, like that we have to write. Then here we create one object. Here we create one object for the class, and here we give the value. Okay, then here we write print the number of items in I1 is I1, then print I2 equals to addition. Then here we write 300 we write for now. Then here we write print the number of items in I2 is I2. Then here we create one more I3 equals to addition. Here then print and print the number of items in I3 is I3 and print print the total number of items in I1, I1, I2 and I3 is. So here we have to write I1,
I2.
I1 plus I2 plus I3. So we have to check now. It will give, okay, up to, let's see what output it will give. Okay, it gives an error. Okay, it printing the numbers, but here we can't able to do the addition of that objects. Okay, what it is giving unsupported operand types for plus arithmetic int and addition. Okay, so what we have to do is up to two objects it will print. Okay, if we try to print for the three objects, it didn't give the output. Okay, so for that what we have to do, so what we have to do in this, so here we have to write, where is that code? Yes, so for that what we have to do is, here we have to write object one, any variable you can give, right here class name. Okay, in class name you have to, not here you have to, we write return, in that return we write some operation we are doing, so that operation we have to write here, items plus I others dot items, like that we have to write, and then we take one more variable and here we write addition, and in that we put this object 1 and then we return this, return p1, like that we have to write. So let's see now what it will give. Here we give some these values, so what it will give, see now we able to see the addition of three objects. Okay, so let's take one more, like take one more object we are taking I4 and right here 600 600 we write, and here I4 we write, and here we write, yeah, wait a minute guys, return P1. First we have to copy this example and paste, copy this one and example, after this paste.
So
Yes,
why didn't give I3 value before, sir? Before writing
yes,
object reference.
what?
Why didn't give I3 value, sir? Before object one, we write object one and P1 values.
Yes, before I1 you have to use I3. What you are saying? Please explain me what question you have to ask.
It didn't give I3 values, sir. Before we write object one and P1s.
Object 1 and P1. You have to write this one.
It
We
didn't
can't.
give
Yes.
I3 values doesn't print before.
Why?
That's why I'm
Before
asking. It didn't give I3 value.
it gives na. See. See it
Before we
gives.
write, after we write object one and P1, sir.
Yes.
But before it didn't give us.
Yes. It didn't give before you are writing this one. See here what we do. We this is completely same. Okay. Like we are here writing return and then we are using self dot item plus. This is means just we take define in the one variable, okay, like object one. In that we write this complete operation, okay. Then we take p1 and we take a class. In that class we give as a parameter, okay, as a variable we are giving in this, okay, this object one, okay. So multiple time we are writing this will multiple time it will execute, okay. Now understand.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
And here we return this p1, okay. Till for two objects we are directly writing return self dot items plus other dot items, but for more than two we have to write like this, okay.
Okay, sir.
So now here we are taking, so we have to take one more, we take now, take I4, take 600 and I4 and I1 plus and 4 plus I4, okay. So like that we have to write, okay. It gives the just we have to, here we have to write I4. Now it is correct, okay guys. Any doubt in this, how to write operator with overloading? Any doubt in operator overloading? Any doubt in operator overloading?
No, sir.
Okay, so take 4 minutes break, okay. Take 4 minutes break, then come, but don't go outside the meeting because meeting is locked. So please don't go outside the meeting. Hello guys, are you there? Are you there guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So wait a minute. What we have to do is any doubt till now, guys? Hmm? Guys, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So you are doing practice on your phone by using any software or anything? Hmm? You are doing practice?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ramashri, Chundru Ramashri,
Yes, sir.
you are facing any problem when you are joining the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Why?
My network issue, sir. Suddenly, automatic class is cut off.
For you all? Huh?
When we leave the class, due to something network issue, the room is blocked, sir.
Okay.
So it's hard to join the class.
Okay. Yes, you guys only have lots of problem. Neeraja, Anita, are you there? You understand Python? You able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you able to write the code for printing two numbers, like addition of two numbers? Okay. So let's see what we have to do. So let's copy this example from where we have to remove from here up to class 2. See, you have to do practice for the subs concepts. Okay, then only you are good in that. Okay, now we have to see is method overloading. Okay, so method overloading can be same represent as same method name with 0 or more than more than one number of more than one number of argument, then it is said to be method overloading. Okay, we have to use same method name with 0 or more than one number of arguments. Okay, this is known as method overloading. So let's see what is method overloading. So here we write the code for that. Take one class. Here we write method. Any function name, any class name you can take. I'm writing method overloading as a class name. Then here we have to create one function, create one instance method. Okay. So after this, here we write print. Here how many arguments are there in this method? How many arguments? How many arguments are there? We already saw positional argument. So how many arguments are there? Zero arguments are there. So we have to write zero number of arguments. Then here we write if m2 self, and here we write x1. So here how many arguments are here?
One, sir.
One number of argument. Here how many?
Two, sir.
Yes, two numbers of argument. Def m4 we have to take one more. No, just we have to change. We don't have to change the name of method. Okay, same method name we have to take. Yeah, I'm also forget that. Okay, so here we write self dot x1 comma x2 comma x3. So here we write print self dot x1 comma x2 comma x3. So here how many numbers of arguments? Wait,
3.
wait. Three number of arguments. So let's see the code for this. See here we are using sim method. Okay, m1 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 m1. Okay, and the in this method overloading zero number of same method with zero number of argument or more than zero number of argument. This is known as method overloading. So let's create the how to create object. Anyone? How to create object? How to create object? Anyone? How to create object?
Class dot object.
Class dot object. I1 equals to,
Class name.
then here we write class name. Like that we have to create. Okay. Then here we write print. Then here we write print. Then after this here we write I1 dot m1. I1 dot m1. Just we have to access this one. Okay. Now in first one there is zero number of arguments. So we write I1 dot m1 only. Then here we write I1 dot m2. Okay, we can use number of time print. Then here we write I1 dot m1. Then here we write 100 comma 200. Then here also we write print I1 dot m1 100 comma 200 comma 300. So let's see what it will give. Why did it give error? Missing positional argument.
M2,
100.
M1, sir, M1. I1 dot M1.
I1 dot m1. Okay. I1 dot m1. but also it is giving the error in which line number 223. In 223 it gives an error. Why it gives error? Because there is no x1, x2, x3. Yeah, it is correct, but why it gives an error? Where is error, guys? Please see in this code. Where is error? Why it gives error? We call that function, and yeah, everything is correct. Why it gives error? M1 missing 3 required positional argument. X1, X2, X3. Here we give the X1, X2, X3. Let's remove this one, what it will give. Now also it is given error. Create function, we create class, then we create one method, instance method, def m1, m1, m1. I1 dot m1 100, 200, 300, where we did mistake. On line number 223. M1 dot self. Why it is not given?
3 number of arguments, sir.
Huh?
Arguments, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What? Hello? If we add the argument in this, okay, if we
3
give only
number of
single, yes, it gives an error there only, but here we have to check. Okay, let's check with this. Yeah, yeah. Now understand. It gives, see here what we are doing. It gives the which how many numbers of arguments are there present. Okay, so like here 3 numbers of arguments we are writing. Okay, so this example is correct. For this one, it takes and we take this one, but it goes to like first he check for this one, then he check for this one. But here how many arguments? 3 arguments. So it will come to here. Okay. So like that we have to write. I'm also forgetting this one. Sorry for that, guys. So we have to write these values. Okay. So let's check to remove one value. What it will give. Now also it is given error. Only for 3 variable it is taken. Mm. Okay. Why? Anyone have any idea why it gives an error on this? Hmm?
I think it takes the latest.
Why we are facing problem? Why we are facing problem? If you are taking 3, then only it will give. Other than it is not giving the output. Anyone have idea? See, I am writing one note. Please focus on that note. Okay. This is method overloading. Okay. See, in Python, method overloading is not supported. Okay. To get this methodology, we do have default argument. We do have default argument. We do have default argument and variable length argument. Okay, we can't able to use by this. Okay, in Python method overloading is not supported. Okay, so to get this method we do have default argument and variable length argument. So I didn't print this example. Okay, if I print this example you will write this one only. Okay, now understand guys what is the problem guys.
Sir,
Okay, so in Python, method overloading is not supported. If you want to get this methodology, you have to use default argument and variable length argument. So let's see for that how to write code for that. So copy this one also and this part also. Where after this. Because it is an incorrect way of writing overloading. Okay, so here there are different, we have to use first which one default argument. Okay, so let's see by default argument. So we have to see by method overloading with default argument. Okay, so let's see how to write the code for that. So here we write, here we have to create one method. Okay, in that method we have to write self, then x1 equals to none, we have to write none, then x2, here we write x2, x2 equals to none, x3 equals to none, like that we have to write. Then after here we write if x1 not equal to none and x2 is not equal to none and x3 not equal to none, then what it will give, print sum of all arguments, sum of all arguments is x1 plus x2 plus x3. Okay, if it is not, then elif, then here you write x1 not equal to none and x2 not equal to none. So here we write print the sum of two arguments is x1 plus x2. Then here we write elif. No, there is no need of write to, else we directly write if it is less than that, then it will write print, and here we have to write print only allows three or two numbers of arguments. Okay, so what we have to do here? Here we have to write I1 dot M1. Then here we write 100, 200, and 300. Then here we write print. Then here we write I1 dot M1 100, comma 200, print I1 dot M1 100. Okay, so let's see what it will give. See, it gives the sum of the all. Okay, it gives the sum of this all. Okay, then it gives the sum of 200 plus 100 plus 200. Then here we did give one condition. Okay, if it is less than 2, then it will print only allows 3 or 2 numbers of arguments. Any doubt in this code? This method is using default argument. Which one is default arguments? These all are default arguments. Okay, these are these all are default argument at the time of creating the function or method. We are giving the variable with the values, then it is known as default argument. Okay, so like that we have to write. So next one we have to see is with variable length argument. With variable length argument, we already see the variable length argument also. Anyone have idea on that? Anyone have idea on that? Here we write class. I know you don't have idea because you didn't practice and didn't read the notes also. Let's take an class name as overloading. Then I write here def. Then here we take one m1 and here we write self dot asterisk. We have to use an x1. Then here we write print x1. Okay. So like that we have to write, and then we have to create an object I1 equals to overloading. So after this, here we write print I1 dot M1. In that, first we have to give the empty one. After this, here we give the space between them, and here we write I1 dot M1 we write and add 100 and print I1 dot M1 100 comma 200 print I1 dot M1 100 comma 200 comma 300. Okay guys, let's copy this one. Here 300, add 400, and here 400 and 500 we have to add. So let's see what it will give. See, it gives the values, okay, in tuple format. Variable length argument gives the output in always tuple format, okay.
Okay,
Any
sir.
doubt in this?
Nothing.
So copy this one and paste here. So thank you guys. Now you can leave the meeting, okay.
Sir, can you send the notes?
Yes, I will send these notes on Pushpa Kolla's email ID,
Yes, sir.
okay. I will
Okay.
share. Okay, now you can leave
Okay,
the meeting. I already mark an attendance, okay.
okay, sir.
Okay.